Hey, Canadians, it's your fault. It's all that fucking dust from the Canadian fires. Where do you think I put them out, please? My washing's on the fucking line. Here in the EU. Yes, it's true. Smoke from Canadian fires is reaching the European Union, that it is, yes. It's high, though. Very, very high. But not just the EU, and no. It's also, can be found in Michigan, Minnesota, and Texas. Yes. Across 3 states in the United States. Where there's fire, smoke will travel. That it will. Please put the fire out, please.